guys, this part of this video, guys, I need you all to guess what I am saying in this clip. And if you get it correct, yes, you get a chance to enter my upcoming raffle. And in this raffle, guys, I have a lot of exciting and wonderful gifts to give away. Yes, so if you can guess what I am saying and tell me in the comment section, that would be great. And I know you can do it, so let's do this. What am I saying? What am I saying, guys? Read the lips, read the facial expression, and trust me, most of the stuff that I am saying here, you hear it in my videos all the times, but just watch my lips carefully. Look at my expression on my face. Yes, try to figure out what is she saying. Yes, guys, you don't want to miss out on these lovely gifts. Great gifts, very useful gifts too. Yes. Guys, this is gonna be so much fun. Yes, man, I'm excited to see who is going to guess and get it correctly and on point with the words and everything else that I am saying. Yes, let's see who can do this, and I know you guys can do it. Yes, guys. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to hear what you guys gonna tell me. I can't wait to see those comments. I know I'm gonna be laughing up a storm. Yes. Yes, guys, thank you so much again for your support. I appreciate it. And blessings to everyone. Big up all my supporters, all my members. Thank you guys so much for joining my membership. And of course, I welcome back my old subscribers. I see you guys. Thank you for coming back here. I appreciate the love. And to my new subscribers, thank you guys so much. Thank you for coming on board. You are welcome here. Thank you guys. Remember to share. Yes, it's a blessing to share what you can share with others. It's a big blessing. You will get it back in return. Yes, guys, love upon yourselves. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Yes, guys, show gratitude. Be thankful. Give thanks every day. Yeah, acknowledge the Lord, because without him we are lost. So remember him in all your doings. Yes, guys, acknowledge him, put him first. He's the head. Put him first. So guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy these beautiful dishes, these beautiful presentation. Just enjoy this video, guys. Thumbs it up, share it out. Thank you so much. Enjoy, guys.